YouTube? Crafting Cards here, happy Tuesday. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade the distributor on your B series Honda. And this one I got right here is a Red Dragonfire distributor. I ordered it off the PFI website, the PFI Speed. If you know, like the Boosted Boys YouTube channel, they get all the tuning done at PFI Speed with Brent and the guys over there. So they're pretty reputable, but there's not a lot of reviews on this brand specifically. So we'll see how it goes, especially tomorrow since I'm getting dyno tuned at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. As I'm filming this video right now, it is October 29th at 9 p.m. So I got approximately 12 hours until I'm hitting that dyno. And yeah, hopefully everything goes smooth. I'm pretty sure I'm all set and ready to go. But yep, in today's video, like I said, installing this. And then one of our subscribers actually wants to see how I set up the ignition timing, which is pretty important to go over after you install a new distributor. So I'll be showing you how to do that as well. And yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so before I throw it in the car, I'll go over some specs straight off the PFI website. So it's got a thick reinforced exterior coating for optimal heat management. That's gonna be the red coating that you see there. It's got a Dragonfire series high power coil, rated up to 52,000 volts, which is pretty insane. It's got a Dragonfire series ignition module with a high temp igniter circuitry, rated to provide spark up to 395 degrees Fahrenheit. Ultra duty Rhinite thermoplastic cap and rotor. So as well as the metal part being coated, the cap here is good for high temperature as well. It won't break down or anything like that. Japanese ball bearing. Oh shit. Ultra duty drive gear. Unrated for an unlimited mile lifespan and provides consistent spark up to 10,000 RPM. We'll see about that. All right, so obviously before we install the new one, we gotta unhook the old one. Pretty simple. So you got your spark plug wires here. They go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna wanna remember that. So unplug these bad boys. Oh look, I even have them labeled with dashes. That's kinda cool. And then you got these plugs here. You're gonna wanna unhook these. These can kind of be hard sometimes, but there we go. That was tight. All right, so now that we got the spark plug wires out of the way and these plastic plugs disconnected, just gotta take off these bolts here. It's usually a 12 millimeter in that corner, and that corner, and then you can literally just pull the thing right off. All right, now you just pull it straight out and be careful not to twist it. All right, so here we have the two distributors sitting side by side. And what you're gonna wanna do is you'll notice on this piece right here, there is a couple lines. I'm just gonna clock this so it matches exactly like that one, right about there. And then on that fresh O-ring, you either wanna put like oil or Vaseline, just so when you slide it back into the car, it doesn't roll over or tear up that gasket. So I'll just go ahead, put a little bit of Vaseline on it. All right, and in the same way we pulled the old one out, we're gonna push this one in, making sure not to rotate anything. Boom. Now the distributor should sit flush with the cylinder head, and if it's not sitting flush, when you kind of push it up against the head, chances are you've got your distributor rotated 180 degrees out, and they purposely make it so if it's rotated 100 degrees out, it won't sit properly. So if it sits flush, everything's good to go. What you can do is go ahead and install your bolts again, but this time only put them on hand tight. So now you're ready to go ahead and reinstall these plug wires and reconnect these plastic plugs right here. Alrighty, so at this point, once you got everything plugged back in, you're going to go ahead, get inside the car, start it up, and just let it sit there and idle until your engine is up to operating temperature. Alright, so at this point, once your engine's up to operating temperature, open up your S300 Hondata Manager software, and you can go download the information off your ECU. Make sure you're online here by selecting the little lightning bolt. And you're going to want to go to the Online tab and click on Set Timing. Now what this basically does is lock your engine at 16 degrees before top dead center. So right now, no matter what I do, it's going to be locked just like that. And we're going to go outside, and I'm going to show you the technique used to set your ignition timing using the lower timing belt cover and the 3 marks on your crank pulley. Alright, so that's going to wrap up the video today. Got everything tightened down, did a complete once over, and I'm pretty sure we got all our problems ironed out, so we should be good to go for the dyno tomorrow. And so you're not going to want to miss this next video. I'm either going to be really happy if I make over 300 horsepower, or I'm going to be really sad if something blows up or anything like that happens. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. We really appreciate all the subscribers and comments we've been getting lately, and so keep it going. We're gonna get 300 by the end of the year, I'm sure of it. And remember, at 300, we're doing another giveaway. So there's some incentive for you, and we will see you next time. Bye.